Developing right now, the California Supreme Court set to decide the fate of Proposition 22. Voters passed the proposal in November of 2020. It was supposed to provide higher wages for delivery and rideshare drivers, something companies like Uber strongly opposed. CBS 8's Alex Lai joining us now in studio to explain why this proposition is now in trouble. Alex.
Yeah, that's right. So this goes back to when Prop 22 was passed on the November 2020 ballot. The measure allows gig companies like rideshare platforms, Uber, Lyft, and Instacart to classify their workers as independent contractors rather than employees. So employees have rights such as sick leave, unemployment, disability benefits, and more, which independent contractors actually don't get. However, one big component for Prop 22 supporters is that the compensation rights contractors are able to get. Now, under the measure, contractors get earning guarantees. They are guaranteed to make at least 120% of minimum wage, get a 35-cent per mile reimbursement, and a healthcare stipend when working a certain number of hours. Since it was passed by California voters in 2020, Prop 22 has faced a number of battles in court. Opposers say this undermines other legislation requiring workers to be considered employees instead of contractors to make sure they aren't being exploited by gig companies like Uber and Lyft. The state of California says companies like them are depriving their workers of these benefits by being employees, but the companies threaten to actually shut down in California if forced to name drivers as employees again. Now, this case is heading to the state Supreme Court, where the Protect Apt-Based Drivers and Services Coalition, or PADS, will share what they think the ruling should be upheld. And this morning, just about an hour ago, leaders in support of the proposition shared some of the reasons they are fighting for this measure.
Prop 22 has been a win for Black, Latino, and AAPI communities across our state, helping underserved communities access transportation and fresh food delivery that might otherwise not exist. And it's a win for anyone who doesn't fit the traditional mold of a 9-to-5 clock puncher.
So the hearing of PADS versus the state of California is set for Tuesday in San Francisco. Back to you.